Washing your vehicle regularly will keep it in excellent condition and help maintain its resale value, not to mention looking great. But don't forget to wash under the hood. Keep your engine looking cool and help your vehicle live a longer life by periodically cleaning your engine bay. It's easier than you think with Oil Eater All-Purpose Cleaner and Oil Eater Cleaner Degreaser. They are powerful, easy-to-use, non-corrosive formulas that are completely biodegradable. Here's what you'll need to get the job done. A non-metallic scrub brush, a garden hose, some plastic bags, twist ties, and tape, clean towels or an air compressor, and Oil Eater Cleaner Degreaser. Before you start, position the vehicle in an area that won't be harmed by grease and grime from the engine. Start with a cool engine and check for oil leaks before you start. Protect all the electrical parts with plastic bags and tape or twist ties. Spray Oil Eater over your entire engine bay. After thoroughly covering the area with cleaner and let it soak in for a few minutes, scrub down the bay with a non-metallic brush to loosen up any greasy buildup. Then rinse everything thoroughly with a hose. Dry off your engine with a clean towel or compressed air, and you'll be ready to roll. Oil Eater offers a wide variety of products to tackle your toughest household and commercial cleaning challenges. Head to oileater.com for more cleaning tips.
Oil Eater. Hungry to clean.